Okay, children. So I'm going to discuss Max model paper, children. One, Max model paper 10 class. First question. The children question is there like this, children. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 divided by 2 cube into 5, 4. 2 cube into 5, 4. Is it terminating or not terminating, children?
Terminating.
It is terminating or not terminating, children?
Terminating.
Terminating.
It is terminating, children, because only denominator has 2 and 5. Okay. If it is terminating, we'll convert it to decimals without division. Okay, children. So we have to multiply numerator and denominator with
With 2.
2, children. So 2 5 is 10, 2 4 is 8, 9 2 3 is 6 2 to the 4. 2 3 plus 1 is 2 to the power of 4, 5 to the power of 4. 4 6 9 0 to the power of 10 to the power of 4. 4 6 9 0 by 1 2 3 4. So 0.469 is not. If it is terminating, you have to convert it to decimal. If it is terminating, you have to convert it to decimal. See, children, this we can't decrease, but this we can increase. So I multiply and divide it with 2. I multiply and divide it with 2, children. Next question. Please see here, children, mute your audios if you are not seeing the answers. Children, two positive integers a and b. A is represented as ab square. B is represented as a square b, where a and b are the prime numbers. Then find the LCM. What is the LCM of a and b? Children, here is there, here is there. Which a we should take down or up?
Down.
Down.
Down. Here b is there, here b is there. Which
Up.
we should
Up.
So what is the LCM,
A
children?
square.
A square, B square.
B square. Whenever they are common, children, whichever is repeating more number of times, that one we have to take, children. Whenever it is common, children, whichever is repeating more number of times, that we have to take, children. Next. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the following nominal, px square is the second question on children. This is first order. Px square minus 2x plus 3p. Let's see here, children. And alpha plus beta is equal to alpha beta they have given. Okay, question is, what is the value of p? What is the value of p? Okay, children, what is alpha plus beta, children?
Minus B by A
Minus B by
is equal to C by A.
What is
Minus
minus
B
b,
is
children?
equal to minus
Minus
of
minus of minus 2 is equals to 3.
3 plus
3p.
2.
Just
3.
3p, children.
2 is equal to 3p.
P
P
is
is
equal to
Two
equal
by
to
3.
2 by 3.
P is equal to 2 by 3. P is equal to 2 by 3, children. Okay, like that you have to do, children. Next. Children, what they are saying is the pair of linear equations A1 B1 C, children. A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0. And there is A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. Okay, have infinite number of solutions. Infinite solutions, what is the condition, children?
A1 by A2 is equal to
Is
B1
equals
by
to
B2 is equal to C1 by C2.
Infinite conditions is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. A shopkeeper sold 3 sweets and 4 lollipops. A shopkeeper sold 3 sweets and 4 lollipops. Okay, children, to a customer for rupees 6. A little later, another customer purchased 6 sweets and 8 lollipops for 12 rupees. Okay. Question is, found the linear equations to represent this situation. This is only linear equation, children. This is only linear equation. And to be frank, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, all are equal. How many solutions will be there? Infinite.
Infinite.
Infinite solutions.
Next one. If the common difference of a AP is 5, if common difference is 5, then the value of A18 minus A13, A18 minus A13. Okay, Kashish, what is A18 minus A13? Kashish.
Sir,
A18
Yes,
is
sir.
A plus
A plus 17D
A13.
minus A plus 12D.
Open.
So A plus 17D minus A minus 12D. A cancels. 17 minus 12D pi d. 5 into 5 is equal to 25.
Very good, fantastic. Say one more question, Amma. Sixth question. No, 5 only under bit is there. So what you are saying, 2k and 26 are in AP. 2k, 26 are in AP. What is the value of k? Kashish.
Sir,
2k and 26 are in AP. What is the value of k?
sir,
This minus this is equal to this minus this.
so k minus 2 is equal to 26 minus 2.
K, 26 minus k.
Sorry, 26 minus k.
Okay, till now.
So k plus k is equal to 26 plus 2. 2k is equal to 28. K is equal to 14.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Very good. 16. Sixth question, children. Solve the quadratic equation x square plus 2 root 3x plus 3. Okay, children. X square plus 2 root 3x plus 3, children. We have to solve the quadratic equation. Okay. Who will do this?
Sir,
Sir, root 3 plus root 3.
Root 3 plus root 3. Very good. Okay, children. So root 3x plus root 3x plus 3. Root 3x plus root 3x is 2 root 3x. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. In this both, what is common? X plus
X.
root 3. In this both, what is common? Root 3 is common. X plus root 3. What is left over?
X plus root 3 into x plus root 3.
That is
X is minus
equal
root
to
3. Minus root 3. X is equal to minus root
x
plus
is equal to minus root 3.
Sir,
sir minus root 3.
algebra is also minus root 3 on this.
1 minus. Where? Next. So, children, next question. This only. Find the value of a k. Seventh question. Find the value of a k, children. Find the value of k for the equation x square minus 4x plus k is equal to 0 has equal roots. What is the condition? I will ask it.
Yes,
Jyotsna, 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 are you there? Jyotsna, Samita, Vaishnavi,
Yes, sir.
Samita. Is
Sir,
any
b
having
square
equal roots?
minus 4ac is equal to 0.
B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Yeah.
Minus 4 square is equal to minus 4 into 1 into k is equal to 0. 16 minus 4k is equal to 0. Minus 4k is equal to minus.
Take 4 common. If you bring this 0.
4,
If you bring this
0.
k is equal to
So
4.
4 is equal to k.
So k is equal to 4 or k is equal to 0. Samita, tell me one more question. Samita.
Okay,
Just
sir.
orbit only. Kx square plus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Has real and distinct roots. What is the value of k? Real and distinct roots.
Sir, b square minus 4ac is greater than 0.
Greater than 0. Okay.
So 4 square minus 4 into k into 1 is equal to is greater than 0. Minus 4k is greater than 0.
Okay.
So 4 common.
Okay. So what will
Sir,
take?
or else we can transpose 4k to right hand side, no sir.
Okay, you want to do like that. Huh? Okay, actually we should not do. Okay, tell. Okay, tell.
16 is greater than 4k. 16 by 4 is greater than k. Sir, is that right method, sir? Can we do in exam?
No, actually both you have to get it. How I did like this, here like this solution.
Two values.
Two values you will get it. How I did here like that only you should.
Okay.
Okay, so k is less than 4 means k is less than 4 means so k is less than 4 means any value k less than 4 if you have real and distinct roots. Any value less than 4 if you have real and distinct roots. Next question. Yeah. Grishma, you tell this one.
Yes, sir.
So PQ is equal to 28. This, yeah, this is 28. Then find the perimeter of PL.
Okay.
Yeah. PQ
Sir,
is 28.
PQ equals to PN
PQ. 1 second. Just perimeter of PLN means what? Perimeter
PL
of PLN.
plus PM plus
LM plus
LM PM
PL plus LM plus PM. Yeah.
PQ PL plus LE plus EM equals plus PM. LE equals to LQ.
LE is equal to LQ. Why?
Tangents from a point are equal. MN plus PM. PL plus LQ is 28. PQ plus PN.
They both are
Twen-
equal.
Yes, sir. So P2 PQ 2 into 28, that is 56 centimeters.
56 centimeters. Very good. If two tangents are inclined at 60 degrees, if two tangents are inclined at 60 degrees, if two tangents are inclined at 60 degrees of radius 3, of radius 3 centimeters, of radius 3 centimeters, find the length of the tangent. Find this is 30 degrees, this is 30 degrees. You want the length of the tangent. This is opposite, this is adjacent. Who will give opposite by adjacent? 3D opposite by adjacent. Tan 30 is equal to
3 by x.
okay.
Root 3 is equal to 3 by x. X is equal to 3 root 3. X is
3
equal to 1.
3 root 3 centimeters. Okay. So 3 root 3 centimeters is the length of the tangent. Okay. 9th question orbit is there. 9th question orbit is there. Okay. What is the question? PQ is the tangent to a circle with center O. PQ is the tangent to a circle with center O. Question at a point. If angle OPQ is an isosceles, angle OPQ is an isosceles. This and this are equal. OPQ is an isosceles. Then find the angle OPQ. What is this angle is asking? What is this angle is asking? 45 degrees. Okay. So tan theta is equal to OQ by PQ. Okay. Tan theta is equal to OQ by PQ is 1. Tan theta is equal to
tan 45.
45. Theta is equal to 45 degrees.
Sir, we can do that some in angle sum property method also, sir.
And some property. Yeah. Equal. Okay. I can. Next one. In the given figure, children, in the given figure, please see here. This is a triangle A, P, Q, R, and here. So A, B. Rohan, 2.4, 3.2, 4.8, 3.6. This is 2. This is X. Again, the given figure. Value of X is what? Value of X is what? Rohan. So children, 2.4 by 3.6 is equal to 3.2 by 4.8. Let's check. 12 2s are 12 3s are 4 8 4s are 8 6s are 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 by 3 is coming to 2 by 3. As these both sides are proportional, what I can say by
AB is
converse
parallel
of
Sir, we should take corollary now, sir.
okay by converse of BPT, AB is parallel to
AB is parallel to QR. QR.
AB is parallel to QR means PAB is similar to PQR. PAB is similar to PQR. PAB is similar to PQR. By CPST. By CPST, what we can write? 2.4 by entire thing is how much? 6. This by this 2 by X and this by entire thing 3.2 by 8. Okay. Either this we can do or this we can do. You will get the answer, children. So 0.4. This will come for answer is 5. Answer is 5. Either these both you can do or these both. Children, this is parallel. So small triangle is similar to big triangle. Small triangle is similar to big triangle. Right on the stand. Next question. Children, they have given a figure, children, like this. Please try to understand, children. They have given a figure like this. Like this, like this, like this, they have given. A, B, C, A1, A2, A3, B1, A1 is parallel to B1A1. B1A1 is parallel to CV. They both are parallel, children. They both are parallel in same. Then A1 divides. Then A1 divides. AB in which ratio? A1 divides AB in which ratio? Children, this is one part. This is three part. Children, right?
1:3.
So this is one part. This is one part. This is three parts. So if this is 1:3, this is also 1:3. This is so A1 is dividing. A1 is dividing this thing. 1:AB 1:3 parts because they are the same children. As they are parallel, by BPD only children because they are parallel. This is 1:3. Because they are parallel, this is 1:3. They are dividing. That's all. 12th question. Pranati, you said 12th question. This is 4, this is 3. Pranati, are you there? This is R. Okay, you have to find out secant alpha. Secant alpha, you have to find out. Use Pythagoras theorem and find this first step.
X square is equal to 4 square plus 3 square. X square is equal to 16 plus 9. X square is equal to 25. X square is equal to 5.
X is equal to 5. If this is 5, secant means what? Secant means what? Hypotenuse by
Hypotenuse by
Adjacent.
adjacent side.
this is hypotenuse. This is
find
this. Again, you have to find out hypotenuse by Pythagoras theorem.
Square is equal to 5 square plus 12 square. Y square is equal to 25 plus 144. Y square is equal to 169. Y square is equal to 13 square. Y is equal to 13.
So what is the hypotenuse?
13 by 12.
Adjacent is 12. So secant alpha is 13 by 12. Okay, children, next one. Find the value of cosecant 30. Cosecant 30 plus cot 45. Srija, cosecant 30 plus cot 45. Srija. Cosecant 30, how much, Nana? Cot 45 is how much, children?
Cut.
In a circle of diameter 42 centimeters. In a circle of diameter 42 centimeters. Srija, in a circle of diameter 42 centimeters,
Yes,
you can
sir.
ask substance an angle of 150 degrees. Ask substance an angle of 150 degrees at the center. What will be the length of the arc? What is the formula for length of the arc, Thomas Vinita?
Theta by 360 into 2 pi r.
Theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Telangana, how?
150 by 360 into
Ah,
2 into 22 by 7 into
okay. 3 5s are 3 2s. Come on, tell me. 3 4s are 2s are 11s are. How much, Nana? 55
Five.
centimeters. Okay, tell me one more sum. Srija, tell me one more sum. Find the radius of the largest circular cone that can be cut out of a cube of edge. There is a cube. What is the largest radius of the largest cone? From this largest cone, we can cut is like this. Okay, that cone will have diameter how much?
2.1.
4.2. So radius is
2.1.
2.1.
2.1. You want to tell one more thing, Srinivas? Find the probability of getting a perfect square number from 1 to 10. From 1 to 10, how many perfect squares are there between 1 to 10?
So 1,
4.
four,
Oh, okay. 1.
1,
One.
4,
4.
9, and that's also 3 by 10 is the probability.
3 by 10. Yatin, come on. Next sum, Yatin.
Okay, sir.
So 16th one orbit. So what they are saying, find the probability of getting sum of 9 when 2 dice are thrown. When 2 dice are thrown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So
1,
sum
2,
of what?
4, 5, 6, 9.
Oh, sum
2,
9.
3,
So
4, 5, 6, 7. Tell me. 3,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
probably you're
So
getting 9.
4 out of 36.
4
So
root 36.
1 by 9.
1 by 9. Very good. Okay. Next, the case study is there. Children, there is a case study. Okay. Top view is given. Different views are given. Children. Problem is I can't discuss this case studies questions without having soft copy with you. Children. We need a soft copy of this. Children, I will send the link. All of you open that case study, then we'll discuss. Instead of just skipping that, I'm sending the link. All of you please open. Open case study, children. All of you. Do you open, children? All of you.
Yes, sir.
17th question. Please go to 17th question. Go to 17th question. All of you. I don't want to skip any case studies. Seventeenth question. Please open, children. All of you. 17th question. Chalo. Fine. 17th question. Here. Refer to the top view. Find the midpoint of the segment joining. Children, segment joining 6, 17. First question. And 12, 17. What is the midpoint? What is the midpoint formula, children? Midpoint.
X1 plus X2 by 2.
X1 plus X2 by 2. Y1 plus Y2 by 2. 18 by 2. 34 by 2. 9, 17. Which answer? 1.
First one.
A is 1, children. Come on, go to second bit. The distance of the point A from the y-axis. Go to the top view, children, all of you. Go to the top view. Distance of A from the y-axis. What is the distance of A from y-axis? Anyone? How much, children? From y-axis, how much distance it is? Children, this is y-axis. Here is your A. What is this distance?
1.
1 centimeter. My goodness. 1 centimeter, children. This is. What? People are crazy or what, children? Can't say that also. Go to see it. Come on, go to see it. Refer to the front view, the distance between A and Q. Go to the front view, children, of you. The distance between A and Q, anyone? Please count the number of boxes A to Q. How much, children?
8 boxes.
8 boxes are there.
Root 64.
Means, but we have to take coordinates, no, children? We have to take coordinates. Children, we have to take coordinates now. What is the coordinates of A you have taken, Saiti? Coordinates of A, how much you took, Nana? Saiti? A is there, children, Q is there. Distance between A and Q. X-axis is 1 and y-axis is
9. 9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 are there, no, children? 1, 2, 3, 4. 8
Sir,
or 10?
1,9, sir.
A is
One.
1,8 na?
Then 9, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 only A is. How 9? Q is what?
Yes, sir. 8 only, 8 only. 8.
What? You people are so young and you people are not able to count properly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9, sir, Q.
Q is 9,
9.
comma 8.
8.
Now to find the distance between them. 9
9
minus 1
minus
whole
1 whole
square.
square plus 8 minus 8 whole square. Root 64, sir.
Root 64 means 8 is the answer. They didn't give 8.
They gave root 64 only, sir.
Okay, root 64 is the answer, children. Come on,
B.
fourth question. Chalo. Refer to the front view. Find the coordinates of the points which divide the line segments joining the points A and B in the ratio 1:2 internally. 1:2 internally. A is 1,8. Can anyone tell me B, children, B coordinates? Children, can anyone tell what are B coordinates? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, comma
5, 11.
5,
5, 11.
no 10 only.
10, sir.
Yes,
No,
sir.
5, 10.
5, 10. Okay, children. Now, what are the coordinates of point which is dividing them in 1:2? What is the coordinates of the point which is dividing them in 1:2, children? So xp is what, children? mx2
mx2 plus mx1
NX1 by M plus N.
yp.
M by
My2
2
plus
plus
My1 by M plus N.
by m plus n.
Come on, children. M is how much?
1
1
into
into
5
5
plus 2 into
2
8.
into
1 by 1
1.
plus 2. And 1 into 10 plus 2 into 8 by 1 plus 2. 5 plus 16.
Sir, it's 1, sir, not 5. 2 into 1. x2 is 1. Sorry, 1 x1.
How much, children? His answer is there. 7 by 3 and 6 by 3.
Yes, sir.
First
First
option.
answer. First option.
Come on, children. Go to fifth bit, children. Go to fifth bit, all of you. Bhavika, fifth bit, children.
Yes, sir.
Refer to the point front view. Distance of point A from origin. From origin. Then origin is O, O, 0, 0.
1,8.
1, 8. Can you tell me distance formula substitution?
x2
1 minus 0.
1 minus 0, 8 plus 8 minus 0 whole square.
Yes, yeah.
1 square plus 8 square.
Okay.
1 plus 64.
Okay.
Root 65.
Answer is there, Anna.
Yes, sir. First option.
Thank you. Children, go to second case study, all of you. Children, second case study. First question I'm going. A model of boat is made in the scale 1:4. Okay. So, a model of boat is made a scale of 1:4. Model of the boat is made. The model is 120 centimeter long. 120 centimeter long. The full size of the boat has a width of 80 centimeters. Full size of a boat has a width of 80 centimeters and 120 centimeter long. 120 centimeters long. What is the width of the scale model? Children, what is the width of the scale model? Children, width of the scale. Children, one part is made 4 parts. Children. Try to understand. One part is made into 4 parts. Children. Okay, one part. Now, one part. See, children, whatever was initially, that is made into 120. Something. What is initial width is there, that is made 80. So, it is made 4 times. 4 times it is made. Try to understand, children. Try to understand. This is what, children? 1 plus 4 is how much, children? 5.
5.
1 plus 4 is what, children? 5.
5.
If 5 parts is 80, 1 part is how much?
80 by
How much,
16,
children?
sir. 16.
Is 16 is their option?
No, sir.
No, sir.
15 is there, sir.
Huh?
15 is there. 16 is not there.
Not there. So directly if you go 1 part is 80. So 1 by 4 will take. 1 is to 4 will take. Okay, children, then we'll leave like this. Do like
Sir,
this.
4 parts only, no, sir. You should take
Yes,
4
sir.
and
So
no, sir.
option 1,
Yeah. 1 by 4. 1 by 4 it is made. Originally we don't know how much is left. Later it became 80. So 80 if it goes, 80 by 4 is
20.
20. Is it there
20.
20?
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
First
Option
sir.
1.
Option 1, children. Option 1. I need directly to pure ratio proportion, children, but it's not coming. So let's take scale factor, children. 827. Second bit, children. Second bit. If you practice now in exam, you can do fast, children. What will affect the similarity of two polygons? They are flipped horizontally. They are dilated by scale factor. They are translated down. They are not the mirror image of one another. What will affect the similarity? Dilation will not affect children. Translated down will not affect children. They are not the mirror images, no problem. They are flipped horizontally. Children, they are flipped horizontally. If they are flipped horizontally, the similarity will change. Means only width will change, children. Only width will change. If they are extended horizontally, only width will change. Length and height will not have the same ratio. So answer is 1, children. But anyway, we will see again later, children. Okay. Third question. Please go to third question, children. Shadow, trigonometric ratios, children. Please see here. The shadow of a stick 5 meter long is 3 meters. At the same time, the shadow of a tree 12.5 meters is how much? At the same time means they are similar triangles, children. At the same time means they are similar triangles. So 5 by 3 is equal to 12.5 by x. So cross multiplication, x is equal to 12.5 into
3 by 5.
7.5 centimeters. Is it there, children? 7.5 centimeters?
Yes, sir. Third option.
The third option, children. Next, go to the fourth question, children. Go to fourth question, all of you, please. Go to fourth question. Shape of P and Q are mathematically similar. The area of the shape is 6 centimeters square. Calculate the size of missing side length x, children. Missing side length. Okay, children, missing side length. So area of P is 6 centimeters square. Area of Q they have given a no. The area of shape is 6 centimeters square.
Sir, option 3.
Why 3 now?
They're similar, no, sir. So 3 by 2 is equal to x by 5. Like.
Then what is the use of area now?
Next question is area, sir.
Oh, next question is area now. Then
Yes,
no
sir.
problem. Correct. So then now you can do 3 by x is equal to
X by 5.
2 by 5. 3 by x is equal to 2 by 5. So x is equal to 6 by 15 by 2. 15 by 2 is 7.5 centimeters. Which option? 3.
It's a third option.
Next, last one, children. Calculate the area of shape Q. Area of shape Q, children. Children, the area of shape Q means you have to use area theorem. I don't think you have area theorem, but anyway, area of P by area of Q is equal to ratio of squares of similar sides. Ratio of sides of ratio of squares of similar sides.
Correspond.
Ratio of squares of, so this is how much, children? 6 by Q is equal to 4 by 25. So what is Q, children? 25 6 are 150 by 4.
150.
So 4 3s are 12, 37.5. Correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Third
Yes,
option.
sir.
37.5, children. This is the area theorem. Areas of two similar triangles are is ratios of squares of corresponding sides. Perimeter means don't put square. Areas means put square. Perimeter means don't put square. Areas means put squares, children. Next case study 19, children. Please go to 19 case study. They have given some quadratic function, children. Name the shape of banana curve from the above figure.
The
Parabola.
parabola.
They have given in the case study only parabola. Okay, children. Parabola. Second question. Find the number of zeros of the polynomial formed from the shape of the banana. Number of zeros.
1, sir. 1.
How many times it is touching x-axis?
1.
Where
One.
one? Where one it is touching? 1 and 2. 2 times it is touching. 2 times. Once left side it is touching, once right side it is touching. Number of
Where,
zeros.
sir?
Children.
Sir, only A is touching, no, sir.
No, no. You're not in English. What's it? This is banana, isn't it? Here it is touching. Here it is touching.
Sir, the above one is parabola, sir, not the below
Yes,
one.
sir. They drew an
Above
arc,
one.
no, sir.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. I'm very sorry. Yes, correct. Above one is parabola. I'm seeing the down one. I'm sorry, children. Only 1 0, children.
0, sir.
1. Third question, children. If the curve of banana is represented by x square minus x minus 2, find its zeros. Find its zeros, children. They have given some down some 4 comma minus 3, 3 comma 4, minus 4 comma minus 3, 6 comma 2. They give no. Substitute all of them in this, children. Wherever you get 0, that is the answer. One I will show. Substitute 4 here. Substitute 4 here, children. 4 4 are 16. Minus 4 minus 12. 16 minus 16 is 0. Now substitute minus 3, children. Minus 3 minus 3 is 9. Minus 3 of plus 3 minus 12. This is correct answer, children. Their first one is correct. Both you substitute in this, children. If you are getting 0, they are the answer. You substitute remaining also and check, you will not get 0, children. With remaining.
Sir, we can split the term now, sir.
Yes, we can split. Yes, correct. Yes, we can split, children. Minus 4x. I was not thinking about that. Why means, children, in intermediate you will tell like that, or substitute and check the answer. That's why I was telling like that. Yes, you can substitute and see, children. The question, children. In the representation of the banana's curve, soon 1 0 is 4. Children, 1 0 is 4 they have given, and sum of the zeros is 0. Sum of the zeros is 0. What is the quadratic polynomial? So 4 plus beta is equal to how
Is
much?
equal to
Children?
0. Beta is minus 4.
Minus 4.
Now tell me the formula.
X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta.
Come on, substitute in this, children.
X square minus 0
4 minus 4 x plus
plus
x square. This is 0 minus 16.
minus
X square minus 16 which term करना A.
first of
Yeah, children. Now mute your audio. Getting disturbance. Next one, children. Please go to next one. The number of zeros that polynomial x minus 2 whole square plus 4 can have is how many zeros are possible? Expand this, children. X square plus 4 minus 4x
Minus
plus
4x
4.
plus
X
4.
square plus
X
8
square.
minus 4. Highest power is 2, so it will have 2 zeros only. Whatever is the highest power, that many zeros will have. Highest power 3 is coming, 3 zeros. Highest power 4 is coming, 4 zeros. How much is the highest power? That many zeros only you will be having. Children, next one. 20th question. Children, yeah, so 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, 8, 10, 13, 8, 10, 13, 6, 3. This is the condition here, children. First, estimate the mean time. Find the mean, children. You have to estimate the mean, children. Shall we find out mean, children, all of you? Xi,
15, 30, 50, 60.
Fixi. Oh, nobody's telling. I'm only doing like a math.
Sir, that is 70 and 90, no, sir?
Which one?
After 50.
After 50, 70.
70 and
420. This is 90. 270, yeah, 0. 8 plus 5, 30, 22. This is 22. 5, 11, 2, 17. 1720. And 18, 18 plus 30 is 31, 37, 40. So mean is how much? 1720 by 40. 4, 4, 4, 3 is 43 is the answer. Mean is 43. Option.
1.
Next question. Next question. What will be the lower limit of model class? Which is more, children?
40.
So lower limit of model class is 40 because highest frequency is model class. Okay, next. The construction of cumulative frequency table is useful in determining what?
Median.
Median. Cumulative frequency helps in determining median. Next. The sum of lower limits of median class and upper class limit model class is called sum of lower limits of median class and upper limit model class. Upper limit model class is what? Upper limit model class is 60.
60.
Median class means we should find out, children. How do you find out median class? First make cumulative frequency. 8 means 8, 18, 31, 37, 40, 40 by 2, 20. 20 comes within 31. So this is only this one. This is only median class also. So 40 plus 60. 60 plus 40 is 100. What is the question? Higher limit of model class. Lower limit of median class. What is median class? N by 2 of ICF. N by 2 of cumulative frequency. What is median class? N by 2 of median cumulative frequency. The construction of cumulative frequency is useful over notes. How many students finished the race within 120 seconds? Within 1 minute 20 seconds.
All, sir.
Where is the question? 1 minute 20 seconds.
Sorry.
1 minute 20 seconds. This is what 80.
Sir, 6, huh?
60, 1 minute 20 seconds. No.
37, sir.
37, sir. 37.
37 students, yeah. 37. Till here you have to see. Till here you have to see. By here, 37 students completed the list. 37 students completed the list. So this is what, children. Remaining questions 21 onwards is there. We will be in the next class, children. So please give your attention of